The peace lily. Do you know that peace lily is perfect as indoor plants? Today I will be telling you all about the peace lily. It is a flowering tropical plant from the Spathiphyllum genus. Outside of its hardiness zones, many people grow the peace lily indoors. There are many types of peace lily within the genus, but in general, peace lilies have large, glossy, oval leaves. And more of the peace lilies, I will tell you the most important and exciting thing about these flowers. Do you know that peace lilies are a very good air purifying plant? Besides an indoor beautiful house plant, one other property of peace lily is that it also purifies the indoor air. As per studies were done by NASA, it was found that peace lily keeps surrounding air clean. Are you someone who is busy with your work and no time to have plants indoor to take care? Well, peace lily is actually a very low maintenance plant. With the people turning green home decor, there is a huge demand of indoor plants. They bring them home and gives an eco-friendly and beautiful touch to their home decor. But their busy schedules leave them with no time to take good care of their plants, sometimes even making them forget watering them. Peace lily plant is a wonderful choice as it is a low maintenance and can survive without sunlight in bright indoor light. So, if you don't have any indoor plants yet, and then you don't like taking care of a plant, consider peace lily to be in your home. You can have them in your bathroom or everywhere in your room, even if you don't have any sunlight there. They can survive even the artificial light you have in one room. Peace lily is another kind of plant which promotes sleep. The beautiful appearance and the air purifying quality of this plant make peace lily a perfect choice for the bedrooms. It purifies air within bedrooms and increases the level of humidity for better breathing and sleep. A rise in the level of humidity relieves irritated throat and nose. Moreover, the soothing and green foliage of this plant will alleviate feelings of stress and promotes relaxation of the mind and body. Peace lily doesn't only bring beauty into your home. Feng shui says that peace lilies help to bring about good luck and fortune. Its elegant large green leaves and brilliant white flowers help to create a pleasant atmosphere in any room. Some people describe peace lilies as a good luck plant for purifying air. Of course, like humans, plants can also encounter problems. One of the problems you can have in peace lily is that the leaves can turn brown. Well, it's no panic, and it usually doesn't happen a lot of times. What you can do, or maybe you will ask yourself why it's turning brown the leaves. Well, the plant maybe is getting more than the required sunlight. They don't like to be exposed very much on sunlight. Or it can be the absence of sufficient humidity. That is why if you have peace lilies inside your bathrooms, they really love it because, every time people will take a shower and are present there and you have the light and it gives humidity to the bathroom. And another one is underwatering can also make the edges of the foliage brown and brittle. Over-fertilization is also one more cause that turns foliage brown, but I will tell you this, I don't fertilize my peace lilies inside my home. I only use very good soil for them, and they are good with it. Another how to fix this problem is in its native habitat, peace lily grows under dappled light in a humid environment. Mimic these conditions by placing the plant where it receives medium to bright indirect light. Group it with other plants to raise the humidity or use a humidifier or a humidity tray. So what I do at home is that I usually group my plants. I put them out on the summer, but then when the winter comes, I put all my plants indoor and I usually group them. In that way, they're helping each other to have this humidity environment. Another thing to fix it is to water the plant when the topsoil feels dry to touch. Never allow the soil to become completely dry. And as far as experience is concerned, it happened to me, but I usually don't panic because peace lily, they are a fighter, I can say it. I had a plant where it was totally weathered, and then I just took it and water it, and they will be fine later on. So never throw them. Just take out the leaves that are destroyed and then water them, and then they will be okay. That is the good thing with peace lilies. Another thing is that you can restore over-fertilized peace lily by washing the soil with clean water. Use a balanced fertilizer during spring and summer once in 6 to 8 weeks. Well, of course, if you like your peace lily to be really have very beautiful leaves and big and shiny, you can do fertilizing it. But as what I said, all these peace lilies I have indoors that you are seeing now, I never fertilize them. They are okay with having good soil on them. Another problem you can encounter with peace lilies is that their leaves can turn yellow. And one main cause behind it is that you might have over-watering your peace lilies. One thing you can do when you have plants indoor is that touch the soil before you water it. If you feel that the soil is wet, never water your plant. And it applies to almost all the plants. Now, changes in location or temperature also stress the plant and turn the foliage yellow. Like people, we can be stressed if we are if we will be transferring a lot of times, and it's the same with plant. They never like it to be transferred all the time, but I know there are times that we really need to do it. We have to change our furnitures and all this stuff, the way we change the things in our house, and we do it with plants too. But as what I said, peace lilies, they are a fighter. They can easily adapt whenever you transfer them. Peace lily dislikes cold drafts and temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and this can also make the foliage yellow or pale. Yes, I understand it. That is why it's good that we put our peace lilies together with the other plants, because they help each other. But as what I said, everything can be fixed, and peace lilies are very good plants and low maintenance plants.